second chorus of Dope by BTS. We just went through that part in our Kpop Dance Workshop. Pretty intense and high energy song, but we went through for 4 classes total and got into the formation at the end, so overall that was so much fun. So in this video I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the second chorus of Dope, and at the end of the tutorial we're gonna go through with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Before we start, we have in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. Then that opens to any levels and ages, so whoever love K-pop and dancing, please feel free to join us. We also offer free live workshop on our Facebook group called Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and that's completely free and open to anybody as well. So even if you're not living in Arizona, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with this move and then touch the shoulders move. Here you go. We're gonna start on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. On 8, just take your elbows up and then boom, bounce a little bit so that you can touch your left shoulder with your right hand and then bring it to the right shoulder and switch. Left hand goes to right shoulder and then touch your left shoulder. Okay? Left, right, right, left. And each time you can slightly bend your knees and bounce backwards. Boom, 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 boom. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also slightly lean to the right as well because it seems like everybody does kind of lean to the right on the dance cover video. Oh, sorry, dance practice video. Okay, so let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're just gonna cross and cross. Yes, starting with your right hand, cross in front of your abs, and then switch to the left. And then you're just gonna pop your chin up and then open your knees, bend your knees as well, up, down. Yes, take your heels off, down. Good. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, cross, up, down, and then open your arms and legs, and then we're just gonna kick with your right leg forward, open, kick, and lean forward. Good. This is the first 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, right, left, cross, cross, up, open, kick. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we're just gonna lean forward, and then the next 4 counts, you're just gonna move the head left, right, right. Good. Left, right, right. And then you're just gonna open the arms from the left, right, and then cross your arms, open, bring it down a little bit, cross again, and then touch your shoulders again. Left, right, cross, up, down, up, and then throw the arms on the back, and again, open your knees, bend your knees, and then take your heels off. Just gonna throw the arms back, and then open your legs, cross your arms in front of the chest. Good. So after lean forward, move the head to the left, right, right. Open your arm, left, right, cross shoulders, throw the arms back, and then cross in front of the chest. Good. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, cross, head, open, kick, and back, 2, 3, 4, hand, cross, and down, and pose. Let's do it with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and down, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, and cross, up, open, kick, and down, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. It's pretty fast. Okay, so after this, we're just gonna rock it up. Yes, moving forward with your upper body. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and you can also slightly going up, 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 up. As soon as you hit on 4, you're gonna extend your arms from the left, right, point forward, but it's gonna be pretty fast. Left to right. Good. And then put your feet together. Yes, make a fist. And then keep your left hand next to your hip while your right hand, we're just gonna go punch, punch, in, punch. Yes. Twice, up and down. Yes. And then at the same time, you're gonna move your knees on the same direction to the right, in, to the right, and then extend your left arm. And just gonna step back. Yes. When you step back, take your left knee up and then step back, and at the same time bring your arms up. Right arm is up, and then you're just gonna bring the elbows down, up, bend your knees, up, elbows down, up, bend your knees. Now we're gonna go 3 times. Down, 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 down. And then, since we're following the middle person, you're just gonna move your arms and then shoot. Yes. So one more time from the rocking part. 5, 6, 7, move forward. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Throw and down, 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 down. Gun, shoot. Good. In the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and down, 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 and shoot. 1. Alright, so this is the first half. Let's go through from the beginning one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, right, left cross, head, up, and kick, and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and rock. 2, 3, 4, and 5, punch, punch, and up, down, 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 and shoot. In the count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after shoot explosion, we have 3 counts to do freestyle because it's kind of formation change here, so you can do whatever you want. After explosion, 1, 2, 3, and on 4, I want everybody's feet together, slightly facing to the left, so that we can go right, left, right, left. Good. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left. Good. Since it's pretty fast, you can just move your legs just like this, or you can also put your right heel down, turn a little bit, put your left foot down, and then step right, cross your left foot in front of your right one. Good. From here, turn and right, left. Good. 5, 6, 7, explode. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Good. This is a little bit tricky. Basically, 4, put the feet together, and step 5 and 6. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Yes, on 6, when you cross your left foot in front, you're just gonna open the arms next to your hip, and then bring your right hand up, left hand is up, and then you're just gonna boom, lean backwards. Right, left, take your elbows down, put your feet together, and then make a fist. Good. 5, 6, 7, explode. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Right, left, down. Good. After this, you're just gonna step backwards with the 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. With both feet together, and then bring your arms, go all the way in front of the chest. After this, kick back with your right leg. Now kick front, step forward, and then foot step. Left and left. Good. This move, basically, you're just gonna take your heels in, out, in. Yes. In, out, in. Move your left foot front to the back. That's it. In, out, in. Yes. So after this, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick back, front, step, and left, and left. Good. Now after this, we're almost done. Step back, punch down. One more time. Step back, punch down. One more time. Step back, punch down. And then step left, right, chin up. Good. We're gonna go back 3 times. After left, left, step back with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then left, right, head up. Now after this, bring your arms up. Yes, right hand make a gun pose, left hand is in front of the chest, and at the same time, you're just gonna bend your knees and take your heels up and boom, down. Yes, up, down. And then we're just gonna repeat the same moves. Down, 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 down 3 times. Last one, drop your arms in between your legs and take your shoulders up. Good. This is it for the chorus. This is actually the second chorus. So let's go through one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and step, step, step back, step back, step back, left, right, chin up, gone, and down, 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 and drop shoulders. Good. Let's do with the counts from the beginning of the second chorus, which is explosion. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8 backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and step, step backwards, step back, left, right, and down. Boom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do with the counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna speed up a little bit. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, too fast? I know. Alright, so let's put the whole choreography together and we're gonna practice a little bit and try with the actual music. Here we go, starting with these moves. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Open, kick, and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and rock. 2, 3, 4, and punch. 6, 7, 8, and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, and explode. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, step, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we're gonna practice one more with a little bit faster speed and try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, kick and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and punch down. 3, 4, 5, 6, and shoot. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, down, up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, step, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, punch down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do with the actual music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, step, kick down. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, rock. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, down. Step, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, down, up. 4, 5, 6, step, step, and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, down. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. How was it? Hope this tutorial will help you to get through the second chorus of Dope by BTS. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! So this week was quite intense and hard choreography, so it took me 2 to 3 hours to remember the choreography, break down into the counts, and get ready to teach in the workshop. I usually start with a very slow speed because I want to focus on the details, so once I get it, I speed up and practice without watching the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till this point. Here's our workshop view.
Thank you.